I'm about to unbox some frying pans that were gifted to us by ZAZY. They are cast iron enamel covered skillets. One is 8-inch, one is 10-inch, and one is 12-inch. Looks like the smallest one is first. And I'm seeing something that I like. At first, it might be shocking. I don't see a handle on the skillet. That makes me happy because I know that I might be able to take it off. It's probably wooden, and I'll be able to take it off and use this in the oven. That's good news. So my first thought, quality. Don't see any scratches or imperfections. Looks like it's well built. So far, so good. Weight, not bad. It's cast iron, folks, so if you want cast iron, it's got to be a little heavy. So we looked at the 8-inch. This is now the 10-inch, I gather, just by eyeing it. A little bit bigger than the other one. Let's just talk about weight here. It really doesn't feel any heavier than a 10-inch cast iron skillet. And what I like about this so far is this is enamel covered, but it looks like cast iron. And we do have the honeycomb interior, which the people at ZAZY say will eliminate the need for oil, or at least too much oil. And now the 12-inch pan. I would think in my kitchen this would be the one that would get the most use, just because I cook for at least 2 people and a lot of times 4 to 6 people. This is about the same size as my favorite frying pan ever, which is owned by my in-laws. They got it for a wedding gift in 1957. Same thing, cast iron with enamel. And it's about this size. And I've always loved it, and I always loved that it had a removable handle. So here are the handles. I'm assuming they're all about the same size. Okay, good. There's a hook on the end so you can hang these. That's very important. I attached the handle for the 8-inch, which has a slightly smaller handle, and then the handle for the 10-inch and the 12-inch is about the same size, a little bit bigger. I was thinking this could be used conveniently to take the handle off during cooking, but now I realize it won't be convenient. It's going to be, it'll come off. The handle will come off. So you can take the handle off because we just unscrew it. It'll come right off. So if you want to, you could use a pot holder, do what you have to do, have this off, cook something on the stove, and then use your pot holder, put it into the oven. So that's an option. Another advantage of being able to remove a handle is that it's easy to store. All right, so I'm not that strong of a guy, but I've got all 3 of these in one hand, so they're not that heavy. First impressions, I like the quality of construction. I like the handles. The handles are very attractive. I like the fact that it's enamel covered, but it doesn't look like it's enamel covered. It looks cast iron, even though it really is cast iron underneath that enamel. I like the honeycomb. I'm looking forward to trying that and seeing if that's really non-stick. So overall, I'm impressed with this ZAZY set of 3 skillets, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch.